Hey guys, hope you are doing well and you're enjoying this happy weekend that we have crypto in almost in green. So my name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated about the evolution of money and the evolution of internet. So everything about cryptocurrencies. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification all, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those likes is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes. So let's go and check out our favorite bubble chart. I should tell you that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. Everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So our favorite bubble chart is just a mixed picture. A few altcoins are correcting in red, but Chiliz and Wemix, this gaming coin, are pumping. Bitcoin is down 0.7% and Ethereum is down 1.4% after the yesterday and the Friday run. So let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 40. So guys, we are getting closer to the neutral zone. The neutral zone is at 50, and good to see that after several months of consolidation in the extreme fear levels, that the sentiment of investors are getting better and it's getting back to the neutral zone. So let's go and check out our first news. Here is the most bullish signal now flashing for Bitcoin and crypto markets, according to analyst Justin Bennett. Okay, let's see what Bennett is saying. He's bearish the USDT dominance chart. So USDT dominance, that the how many percentage from the total crypto market cap USDT stablecoin has. The most bullish signal right now for crypto is the Tether dominance chart. In my opinion, this moves inversely to crypto and is currently breaking down. Unconfirmed as of now, weekly close will be key. So these are weekly candles, and if it will break down, then the USDT Tether dominance dropping because money is flowing into Bitcoin and into altcoins. So people are buying crypto for USDT. Okay. So as 26,000 BTC peak is still on the table, however, a few things need to occur, including Bitcoin getting about 22,800 and the DXY, the US dollar strength index, closing below 109.3 points next week, among other things. They are easy task here. So this is the Bitcoin chart, and what we see, we had always continuation and it just boomed down, but the upper trend line would be somewhere at 26,000 US dollars. I can stress enough how significant these DXY 108.3 will be for the DXY next week. The confluence there is massive. 2022 trend line, descending channel support and key monthly level. So close below, extended crypto rally, bounce aggressively, crypto pullback, and we are getting closer to this trend line. We will look into it. So let's go and check out our next news. Billionaire Tim Draper calls one Bitcoin metric extraordinary, says great things coming for BTC. There are 100 million Bitcoin wallets now, and that's pretty extraordinary, pretty exciting, and we are only not 15 but I think 14 years old. You know, people say, well, why aren't there 10 billion wallets? Well, there aren't 10 billion wallets because it takes time for new technologies to proliferate throughout the world. Facebook is everywhere, but it's 20 years since it's launched. So give Bitcoin 5 more years and you will see some great things happening. Okay, I think the best use for Bitcoin is a currency. As soon as we can buy all our food, clothing and shelter in Bitcoin, then there is no reason to hold onto any fiat currency, because you would rather have a currency that is completely trusted, completely away from bad governments, away from banks, and that it's a great opportunity for people. Guys, you know, Bitcoin is also a railway for sending money, and also this is a accounting system, which is the distributed ledger storing all the transactions and also the money that we are sending on this blockchain. So good to see. Welcome to Draper. We like your opinion. Next, Bitcoin worth $1,250,000 in Zac Efron's new movie. Will it become reality? Let's hope. The entertainment industry is growing bullish about the Bitcoin story, expecting the BTC price to trade about 1 million in the future, but Bitcoin on-chain data and miner activity shows that the short-term story is concerning. Yeah, so this will be this Bitcoin movie. Let's follow Bitcoin for now, on-chain data and active addresses and BTC price. So we see active addresses just below 1 million, almost around 850,000. So active addresses just below 1 million, so huge space to grow. Bitcoin balance in miner wallets, you see different mining pools, and yes, the Bitcoin price dropped, but the balance has not dropped as low as. Okay, cool. Bitcoin on exchanges decreasing, good news, because less Bitcoin means that less selling pressure. So next, Bitcoin will explode by over 4,600% according to ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood. Here is her timeline. Oh yes, more than 1 million by 2030. Okay, it does appear that institutions are moving in. They are taking this price decline from nearly $70,000 to roughly 20,000 as an opportunity to move into a new asset class. In 2018, Cambridge Associates, which is consultants for the institutional space, basically said to its clients, okay, you may not like this thing called Bitcoin, it may sound like a Ponzi scheme to you, but it's acting like a new asset class. And that got their antenna up, because what institutional investment managers cannot miss is a new asset class that will diversify the portfolio, meaning lower the correlation of the returns, and Bitcoin is doing that. Yes, so institutions will come in. Next, interesting news from China. China holds 3.9 billion US dollar worth of Bitcoin despite anti-crypto stance. The Chinese government holds 6 billion worth of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Okay, so CryptoQuant, a co-founder, said the Chinese government is a crypto whale despite its negative posture toward the industry. Fun fact, government of China is a crypto whale. Chinese authorities seized almost 200,000 BTC, 833,000 Ethereum and others from the Plus token scam in 2019. They forfeited these 6 billion worth assets to the national treasury. So it's sitting in the national treasury. What will the Chinese government doing with this 6 billion US dollar worth of crypto? So that was this Plus token scam, huge Ponzi, and the Chinese authorities seized this amount of digital assets, and now they are holding it in the treasury. Other countries acquiring crypto through sizeries, so they are sized also in the US and some hacks, and also maybe other countries. I know that Bulgaria as well, maybe El Salvador too. Okay, so guys, let's go and check out our next news. Buying Bitcoin will quickly vanish when CBDCs launch. Arthur Hayes, founder of BitMEX, saying this. Looking to buy BTC to avoid the CBDC horror story, the best time was yesterday, the former BitMEX CEO said. Bitcoiners and banks stand against CBDC dystopia. CBDCs are currently in various stages of development worldwide. So CBDCs are central bank digital currencies that issued by governments and central banks. So I believe that the apathy of the majority will allow governments to easily take away our physical cash and replace it with CBDCs, ushering in a utopia or dystopia of financial surveillance. Okay, but we have an unlikely only that I believe will impede the government's ability to implement the most effective CBDCs architecture for controlling the general populace, and that only is the domestic commercial banks. So with direct CBDCs, the central banks controlling individuals directly. With hybrid CBDCs, some CBDC distribution banks are doing this. Intermediate CBDC, so there are more intermediaries in this. Cool. Capital controls are coming. For politicians who care more for fewer than profits, this is their chance to completely destroy the influence of the too big to fail banks. Okay, so capital control. Declaration of war. In other words, the bank regulator is suddenly saying we are going to compete against the banks now because the banks have no chance. You can't compete against the regulator, he said. Buying BTC will become increasingly difficult or perhaps outright impossible once CBDCs are implemented. This window won't last forever. Capital controls are coming, and when all money is digital and certain transactions are not allowed, the ability to purchase Bitcoin will quickly vanish. If any of this doom porn resonates with you and you don't own at least a very small percentage of your liquid net worth in Bitcoin, the best day to have bought Bitcoin was yesterday. So guys, this can become true in the next few years. Next, analyst who called this year's crypto crash issues dire BTC warning, says Bitcoin collapse imminent. Who is that? He is Crypto Capo. So let's quote, as I have said many times, 21,000 to 21,500 is hammer zone, distribution zone. Distribution phases are made to trap as many longs as possible while destroying early shorts. This means several pushes into the resistance zone that strong hands use to keep building their position. So this is the hammer zone, and he thinks that that will be a huge sell-up here, and the price will go back to this lower trend line at 18,300, and if that will broke, then 16 and 14,000 next. I'm not bullish on BTC anymore, but I'm not shorting neither until I see bearish signs, until the distribution is complete. A last push to 21,400, 21,500 is possible, and you don't want to short here without a bearish confirmation. I'm still bullish on altcoins, but being cautious, trailing the stop loss in profits. It will turn full bearish soon. So also he expects that altcoins will turn bearish. Next, analyst says one altcoin set for explosive breakout, predicts rallies for Dogecoin, Solana, and 2 additional crypto assets. He is Kaleo and first Cosmos Bitcoin pair, so Atom Bitcoin. I wouldn't sleep on Atom either. When it finally breaks out of this 3 years base range formed on BTC pair, it will be explosive. So this is the BTC pair. Doge passed to 0.2, so 20 cents. This is the pass of Dogecoin in dollar terms. We'll see. The trader also forecasting huge strength for top Ethereum rival Solana, predicting it will significantly outperform Bitcoin. Solana is up against resistance on the verge of absolutely standing on this fine Saturday morning. Yes, so that was this huge breakout also in Bitcoin pair, and also Matic, plenty of room run higher in the Matic pair, as they are these magnets that just keeping it cool. Torn chain rune, ideal target price is $3 US, so that's it. good to see that at least we have something happening in altcoins. But if BTC will fall, drop, then altcoins will follow. Next piece of news is Fidelity to open commission-free crypto trading to retail investors. Guys, not for institutionals or for private clients, but for retail investors. And they are handling almost 10 trillion US dollar in assets. Where our customers invest matters more than ever, they said. A meaningful portion of Fidelity customers are already interested in and own crypto. We are providing them with tools to support their choice so they can benefit from Fidelity's education, research, and technology. And there is no fee. And Fidelity is one of the biggest asset manager. Next piece of news is some altcoin news that Arweave teams up with Meta, Facebook, for NFT storage. AR token spikes 61%, that's happened last week. And also Meta and Instagram signal Web3 intent by rolling out NFT infrastructure in collaboration with Arweave and Polygon. Guys, I like it, so congratulations if you are holding some Arweave. So guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me on Twitter at MIKLWestDenkler. Also be sure turn on notifications, also follow Corion platform, and definitely follow laserpunk_gods, our NFT launchpad. So guys, that was this educational video yesterday, and also I just went out for some running. Give a like and share. And some happening, FTT whales could sold on Binance. What happened to FTT? Check out this thread. There are some rumors and some facts around Sam Bankman-Fried, Alameda Research, and FTX, but we never know what's happening in real. Bridges airdrop strategy. Check out how to bridge some tokens back and forth and getting some airdrops. Also the layer 0 protocol, use layer 0 ecosystem and getting an airdrop. Okay, all these airdrops may be cumulative for 10,000+ US dollar. Check them out. How to get Aptos airdrop also, that's good. And NASA confirms mission to explore an asteroid that has enough gold on it to either make every person on Earth billionaire or collapse the gold market and destabilize the entire global financial world. So you can mine more gold, but you can't mine more than 21 million Bitcoin. Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart. So you see, if you would, if Michael Saylor would invest in Ethereum, that how much surplus would he have? Great, you back. So Andre Kronia is back, the Phantom lead developer. So really happy on that. Also another airdrop, the Blue airdrop, and quick update from Genie NFTs. Free mint is getting closer. Give a like and share. And also Laserpunks. Follow Laserpunks, and then you can be on the whitelist. And also TradeFi, traditional finance, is entering decentralized finance. JP Morgan partnered and made its first DeFi transactions on a Polygon blockchain. So guys, let's go and check out the charts. Let's see what's happening. The dollar strength index just touched our lower trend line and getting closer to this 108.2 or 8.3 was this horizontal support. If it will be done, then huge fireworks for crypto can follow. And let's check what Bitcoin is doing. Yes, so Bitcoin is doing okay. So guys, doing okay, just consolidating. We'll see what will happen. Maybe we can touch the 20,000 US dollar levels, but yeah, so if some consolidation here would give more strength for the further continuation, but also it can drop back as we have to watch out for these horizontal levels, especially at 20,000. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Smash those like, push the bell, notification all. So appreciate all your likes. Follow me on Twitter, and also be sure you are joining our Telegram channel. You find the link in the description, and also be active here. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.